you live in fear, cause everybody here has blood.